This Ratchet handle set is suitable for professional work and DIY tool. It could use as a Ratchet socket wrench or a Ratchet screwdriver. The handle with 1/4 hex drive, you can insert any 1/4 bits directly. With the 1/4 square drive adapter, it can be a Ratchet socket wrench. Just insert socket directly. It could use as a socket wrench. Connect the bit coupler for changing to a screwdriver. This set includes 100mm speedy extension bar, 100mm flexible extension bar, and sliding T-handle. Each accessory has a hex or square 1/4 drive for a variety of functions to fit your need.